So we have here the Cybernet ZX1 emergency set, the EasyCom, and we'll put it to channel 31. So we'll talk to Mr. C and put a bit of squelch on that. And we flattened the battery on the electric car today, so we'll just see how many miles the car's got, because we could do with 30 something to do this double-headed test. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie.
Tango 21.
Hello there.
Right, I've just realised it was on channel 30, so I'll put it on 31. Are you ready to go?
Yes, how many miles are in the car?
47.
Oh, we're fine then, okay. Right, we're running the camera.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, now coming up to the end of the line.
Roger, got you at the end of the line. It's an annoying squelch tail.
Right, we're now passing Ancaster service station.
Roger, got you at the service station.
Right, we're now going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Right, we're now passing the top of the hill as we go down in towards Wilford.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Chippie, now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilford. Over.
Roger, got you going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford, and this radio does 3.3 watts over.
Roger, that one sounds fine.
Thank you.
Right, we'll now go over Wilford Level Crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford Level Crossing.
Right, we're now passing Kelby Turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Right, we're now passing the Grayleys Turn.
Roger, got you at the Grayleys turn, that's fine. Roger, that's great, thank you. That concludes the test. Are you coming straight back to do the field test over?
Yeah, roger that.
10-4. Yeah, so we're going to do a field test. He'll take this out with its own aerial as supplied. What we didn't do on the main video is we didn't put it into the Zetagi meter. So if you remember, it came, as it came, it was doing 2.2 watts. We managed to get it to do 3.3 watts. We looked at it at the spectrum analyzer and everything was right, which is good. But we didn't put it into the stupid Zetagi meter, which is at least 10% fast. So it's doing 4.5 watts, something like that on the Zetagi meter. So, you know, when I say something's the watts it is, this is on a commercial test set, which is to some extent selective. It's only going to be looking at frequency within 24 to 33 megs. That's how it's manufactured to do. Whereas a wideband meter is going to tell you, is going to add up all the spurious emissions as well. So that is that. We will go over to our base station. I better plug the aerial back in, and we'll see what it sounds like. Now, when Mr. Chippie does the field test, for most of the part, he'll just have to lean across the seat and work it from a distance. He doesn't want to be seen picking it up, but he will pick it up at the beginning and the end. So we'll go over to my base station. Let's see what it sounds like.
Tango 21, testing the Cybernet ZX1 into our CBHQ base station. So this is the built-in condenser microphone on the emergency